The seventh day. After 6 days of creating the world, from the sky and land to plants, animals, and people, God was finished. On the seventh day, He stopped working and took time to rest. But this wasn't just a break. God made the seventh day special, setting it apart as a day of rest and blessing. This moment is powerful because it shows us that rest is not just important, it's holy. In today's fast-paced world, taking time to pause, reflect, and recharge is crucial. The seventh day reminds us that we are meant to enjoy life, not just work endlessly. By resting, God showed us that balance is key. Work hard, but also value rest and renewal. In the beginning, the earth was still empty. There were no plants, no gardens, and no one to take care of the land. Instead, streams flowed from the ground to keep the earth watered. Then God formed the first human, Adam, from the dust of the earth. But Adam wasn't just a body. God breathed life into him and he became a living person. This breath of life reminds us that every human being carries something special, a spark of divine purpose and value. After creating Adam, God placed him in a beautiful garden called Eden. This garden was filled with trees that were both beautiful and provided delicious food. In the middle of the garden stood two special trees, the tree of life and the tree of the knowledge of good and evil. God told Adam he was free to enjoy everything in the garden except one thing. He was not allowed to eat from the tree of the knowledge of good and evil. This simple command was given to protect him, showing that God's instructions are meant for our good. God saw that Adam was alone, and He knew that this wasn't good. So God decided to create a partner, someone who would share life with Adam. God brought all the animals to Adam, allowing him to name each one. While this showed Adam's role in creation, none of the animals could be the companion Adam truly needed. So God caused Adam to fall into a deep sleep. While Adam slept, God took one of his ribs and used it to create a woman, someone uniquely designed to walk beside him. When Adam woke up and saw her, he was overjoyed. "This is now bone of my bones and flesh of my flesh," Adam said, recognizing that Eve was part of him. Someone to love and connect with deeply. This moment highlights the beauty of relationships. From the beginning, God designed people to live in community, not alone. The bond between Adam and Eve reflects the importance of love, unity, and partnership in our lives today. The story of Adam and Eve also reveals the foundation of marriage. After creating Eve, God declared that a man would leave his parents and join his wife, becoming one flesh with her. This powerful statement shows that marriage is not just about living together. It's about forming a deep bond built on love, trust, and commitment. Adam and Eve's relationship began with innocence and purity. They felt no shame in each other's presence, symbolizing the openness and trust that strong relationships are built on. This story reminds us that healthy relationships are grounded in respect, unity, and mutual support. Whether in marriage, family, or friendships, the bond we share with others is a reflection of God's design for connection and love. The creation story is more than just an account of how the world began. It's a powerful reminder of the values that shape our lives. From God's example of rest to the beauty of relationships and the sacredness of marriage, this story speaks to timeless truths that still matter today. As we reflect on this narrative, we are reminded that we are created with purpose, called to find balance in life, and designed for meaningful relationships. By embracing these lessons, we can build stronger connections with others, cultivate deeper faith, and live more fulfilling lives.